Hi students, thank you for joining with my complete C Sharp and ASP.NET programming training series. In this training series, I hope to cover .NET related techniques, technologies, coding practices, and much thing. First of all, let me introduce what are the contents that we are going to cover in this series. As first part, I hope to introduce very complete C Sharp programming and code practices series. In this series, I hope to cover all the basic concepts and more advanced concepts with code examples. In C Sharp complete programming part, we hope to cover all the basic concepts, OOP concepts, and some advanced concepts, generics, delegates, link query, dynamics, lambda expressions, events, asynchronous programming, and interview questions with coding practices and live real world examples. And end of the C Sharp programming part, we hope to introduce industry use design patterns. I hope to introduce more than 20 design patterns with code examples. These parts very important for interviews and industry usage. After completing C Sharp programming part, I hope to introduce entity framework and SQL server related concepts, SQL queries, how we use entity framework or SQLs for your applications. Someone use entity frameworks in industry, mostly use XML based SQL commands, SP stored procedure based. I'm experienced these parts, so I'm ready to introduce you to these parts before coming to industry. Then after completing then that entity frameworks and SQL server basic parts, I hope to move into ASP.NET MVC, MVC related techniques and practices. I hope to introduce projects with practicing all the concepts related to ASP.NET MVC. Then after finishing .NET MVC part, I hope to introduce ASP.NET Web API parts and build the API for using different applications. In currently, I'm heavily use this API, building APIs, testing APIs. Our APIs use mobile application or different applications. Then after finishing MVC part and Web API parts, I suppose to introduce ASP.NET Core. Core is the latest part. That has MVC and Web API both together. With this core part, I hope to use some JavaScript libraries like Angular, React, or front-end related technologies based on JavaScript technologies. I hope to introduce how use these two technologies together with calling API calls. Then finally, I hope to introduce and practice you with SQL Server. This is really important. SQL Server has four parts: database engine, SSAS, SSRS, SSIS. In this time, you don't need to worry about these things. I hope to cover all the things because I am experienced these parts and now I am using these things in industry. I hope to practice you guys with these technologies with industry expectations. Right, this is the small introduction about the complete course. This is actually this is the big one. Big, we have to complete and practices all the things. Okay, that's it for introduction. Let's join with the training. Thank you.